In this video I'm going to show you how to disassemble a 4K action camera. This will be transferable to other cameras. The one I'm using is an A79 by Apeman. First point of call is the front fascia on these cameras is usually just a snap-on. What that means is you can use a bit of a blade and just feel to see how you can take the case off. Be sure if you're disassembling your camera that you're doing it for a reason. If anything goes wrong, this is not a guide and I don't want you to blame me for it. So I'm just showing you how I've done it. So along the lines of the front, you can see when the case is taken off, it will show a section behind it. Okay, so the next point of call is behind the fascia there will be some screws. Make sure you have a really small Phillips screwdriver. You'll see I'm working my way around here. There's 4 screws on each corner. Normally there will be a screw hidden under the sticker. They normally call it a warranty sticker, because if you've removed that warranty sticker, basically you've messed with the camera, so your warranty will be void. So make sure if you're doing this that you keep that in mind. Also on my model of the camera there was actually a little ring around the lens, so you can snap that off carefully. You need to be very gentle with this, so don't force anything. You'll notice under that sticker there was another screw which I took out and the front fascia came off. Now you can see the lens and the battery compartment. So here you have to be very careful and slowly budge and move it about. There's no science to this. The main idea is we need to get these compartments out of the casing to be able to see the circuit board depending on what you're doing next. Something worth mentioning here is you want to be keeping a close eye on how much you pull this out, because the screen on the rear is actually attached via a ribbon. So if you pull the front casing out too far, the little connector will be removed. So it's all down to what you're planning to do with the camera. On this camera I was actually removing the mic on the camera, the onboard mic, so I was able to do it without having the screen removed. So this gives you an idea of how we've taken this apart, and I'll actually show you a quick putting this back together again. What can be helpful in this scenario is actually recording it. What you can do is if you've got your mobile phone, you can set it up on a tripod, just record yourself dismantling the camera. It actually helps you quite a lot in putting it back together again. You'll notice here the buttons that are linked on there are spring loaded. So sometimes if your buttons you're putting back into the camera and you're pushing the casing back in, it will actually break the buttons. So you need to use a bit of a prying tool to push the buttons out the way. You'll notice here I pushed it in, but then notice the Wi-Fi antenna was actually sticking out. So I took the case out again gently and just put the Wi-Fi antenna in place. Slowly take your time, there's no rush here, and try not to push anything too hard because you will end up damaging it. If it doesn't push in easily, something's in the way. Either it's a cable or the case or something isn't in the right place. You'll notice how I've done this here. You can see me slowly working my way around, and yeah, it's basically putting it back in the way we took it out. So putting that screw back in the middle and working around and closing those screws off, and then the final case being snapped back in place, putting the battery in and testing everything. Ideally it is a circuit, so if you have some type of circuit breaker or you're wearing non-electrical items, which kind of helps, but that's getting too technical. But this is an overview to help you open your action camera if you need to do anything with it. I'm hoping you find this helpful. I'll actually link you to the final video where I did this fix, basically, when I fixed the mic on this camera, so you can see how this turned out and what the result was for this Apeman A79 action camera. You'll see that in the end cards.